and I'll take care of you. Oh, Rosanna, and I'll take care of you. Oh, Rosanna.
Ya, masuk TK loh ini. Kenapa kita 5 tahun
support adiknya?
Jangan tumpahin kopi lagi ya.
Oke bang. Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Jeko Smoker. Hari ini kita sudah berada di Dermaga Ulele. Kita akan melakukan trip ke Pulau Breh. Untuk perjalanan jarak tempuh sekitar 3 atau sampai 4 jam. Dilihat dari kondisi angin teduh walaupun agak-agak sedikit berangin ya. Kita akan nginap selama 2 hari. Tonton terus video kita di Aceh Fishing Club. Oh ya, satu lagi untuk para free dive dan spear fishing, selalu safety. Ingat, never dive alone. Tak ada satupun ikan yang sebanding dengan orang. Stay safe.
Jangan diminta senyum tiap hari, aku senyum.
Ngomong dikit aja bang.
Kita akan spear fishing bersama Fun Smoker.
Oke, sekarang kita siap-siap dulu, kemas-kemas barang yang bisa kita masukkan ke dalam, kita masukkan untuk mempersempit ruang, jadi lebih luas dan nyaman untuk orang duduk. Hari ini agenda mungkin sambil perjalanan nanti kita hunting beberapa spot, itu mungkin di Pulau Tongkora atau di Lampuyang sambil perjalanan.
Dalam itu kan? Udah.
Oh, kita nih enggak.
Just keep waiting in the dark.
Kecil kali bang, lama karena langsung es gitu ya.
Enggak, kira masih banyak pulang untuk warga masih pala dengan dia jalan.
Dari semua tadi kan?
Pikiran semua jalan. Ya,
Akan kita mudah-mudahan cuaca mendukung sampai ke tujuan. Tujuan kita ke Ujung Peneng. Ya, kota kita kayaknya overload, tapi tetap kita gas.
ya aman ya. Oke ya.
Oke. Tas-tas yang jangan kena basah kan, luar dah berangin. Taruh belakang habis tuh, tas-tas.
Yang punya hari bang.
Kira-kira tas-tas yang
Kelebihan tenaga.
Ayo ketua.
Ketua di Dixon.
You know they had a night. Does it make no difference? That you saw. 'Cause I confess, what a god-awful man, what a god-awful man to say that. Come outside if you're awake in the night.
Udah dari sini aja, apa Pak?
Swear sometimes I'm getting into a cry. What a god-awful man. dark mind. In the long run, track back to the source. The first fault wasn't yours, of course. Recharge, faint hearts, and false alarm, false alarm. No harm done, thick skin, the depths of it. No harm done, hard fought, hard flawed. No harm done, breath caught, the equinox. No harm. Bloodshot eyes, growing tired of watching you bleed from such lies, false alarms. We still play our part, faint hearts, false alarm. False alarm.
It's tradition in my house to bring the boy over unannounced on a mission for a spouse. Don't you smile too big or he'll ask for your hand and you'll end up alone and down. But it doesn't matter anyhow. I don't bat for your team now. Now I'm flying, windows down, burning grass on the temple grounds. 1 foot out, shoot me down. Mourn my death on the news, blame my mom and tattoos, and keep saving your spit for the drought. And I pray to a God that doesn't care, at least not enough to be there. Oh, I'm not afraid of dying, but I swear to God if I lose this self-proclaimed quitter, will have a bone to pick with you.
Oke. Hari ini kita mau makan siang dulu.
Makan sore anjing.
Iya, sorry. Jam ada jam berapa nih? Aduh.
Apa yang kau persiapkan?
persiapkan ya.
Senang, Pak.
Ikan hasil pinggiran
Mohon, Pak.
itu digoreng. Nah, ini tambah-tambahan bumbunya biar manis. Bawang, tomat, cabai. Soalnya partai-partai kita suka pedas.
Langsung
Iya
ke
kan?
pantai lagi ya.
Kita lagi main sama manta dengan apa? Iu.
Aman-aman. Kan digoreng aja.
Oke.
Gimana, Chef?
Kata Aji tadi mau buat sambal padang.
Iya, baru ini takut ya.
Sambal padang kayak gitu. Hah? Serius nggak apa-apa kalau
Gak tahu ini cetes. Baru ini takut dia. Kayak Bopi ini kita tumis bawang kan. Ini
Kasih Pak, kasih Pak.
kalau Bang Yopi bilang apa?
kalau cabai kan digoreng nggak pedas ya.
Sambal Padang. Sambal Padang. Kasih. Bakar, Bos. Gila.
Ini sentum kan? Nggak apa, nanti mie kita buat lagi.
Apa?
Oke. South B. Jack B. Oke, Jack B. Masuk. Nih Jack B. Chef Jack. Lanjut lagi. Kalah kok. Sama si Jack.
Bang Wong, ampun Bang Wong.
Dia kalau nggak cocok lagi jadi Spiro, jadi koki dia. Apa sampai itu, Pak? Jeko. Oke, apa nih ikan kita ya? Ikan kita Spiro.
Oh, you're my fire starter. You lit me up and get me warm most nights. And I'm not sure if this is wrong or right. Keep running out every time I'm out from you. I can't control this feeling I might lose. And it's not something that I'm trying to prove. And I tell you that I'm missing you.
Ikan kita masak.
I wonder if you ever
Chef Haji, padangi.
I long to be man, but it tears as you're
Ngadu Mang Haji.
out here to take your hand. When your heart is on the mend, I'll give you all that I have.
Kolek bareng roti.
Oh, you're my fire starter.
Hari ini
You lit me up and kept me warm most nights. And I'm not sure if this is wrong or right. Keep running out every time I'm apart from you. I can't control this feeling I might lose. And it's not something that I'm trying to prove when I tell you that I'm missing you.
ini dia Di mana Bang Yopi? Masakan sambal Padang dermaga Ujung Bener.
Oh, you're my fire starter. You lit me up and kept me warm most nights. And I'm not sure if this is wrong or right. Keep running out every time I'm apart from you. I can't control this feeling I might lose. And it's not something that I'm trying to prove when I tell you that I'm missing you. I think I got a new philosophy. I wanna dive right in.
Agak ini
I
kalau
hear the water calling out to me, but I don't think I know how to swim.
petis.
And And when I'm standing on the precipice, I can't seem to take a step. Some days I wonder why I'm doing this. So much easier to love regret. I've been stuck on the poolside, trying just to get back. Been waiting a long time just to know what it would feel like, letting go of the sidelines, to be where the sun lights up the road. But the poolside's all I know. I want you to know the best of me, but the masquerade is wearing thin. I think of all the things I wanna be, but they're all false starts 'cause I can't begin. I've been stuck on the poolside, trying just to get back. Been waiting a long time just to know.
Sampai juga
What it
keluar William Toren. Hari ini selama penantian setahun akhirnya nyampe juga di William Toren.
Mana perjalanan gimana? Berapa jam kira-kira?
Perjalanan kurang lebih sejam lah ya.
Sejam.
Sejam buat traveler yang mau traveling sini, kunjungin William Toren karena dekat dari Banda Aceh. Nah, haruslah wajib
Saksi sejarah nih.
saksi sejarah nih. Jadi nggak hanya Masjid Raya di Pulau Aceh punya William Toren.
Kita punya saksi bisu peninggalan VOC bos tuh. Aduh.
VOC. Pada saat invasi.
Ya, kemarin kita ada invasi ya.
Iya. Kalau kali ini Belandanya duluan nih yang invasi.
Oke.
Kemarin di Pulau Ke kita yang invasi.
Walaupun zong ya.
Walaupun zong. Ya trip sebelum puasa lah. Habis puasa kita trip ke Pulau Banyak. Yang mau join bisa hubungin di bawah ini.
Oke, siap.
Smoker.
Ini buka travel bang.
Buka travel.
Agent travel ya.
Kita buka trip.
Oke. Siap. Kayak cuan loh.
Cuan.
Bed linens and folded fault lines, split the patterns on the settled floor.
Nya sendiri bos.
Distant bodies like a silent request, hanging from a motel door.
1875.
Times dia.
You and me are on the shadow,
Kelihatan sini kalau dari
hiding from the morning light. Treading down a risky river, taking shelter in the twilight.
ini lumayan tinggi nih.
Assalamualaikum.
Oke.
Don't you say you love me? Write it on the walls as they crumble down. The color skies so lovely, setting sun on a sinking time. As we are going down. High tide and water rising, feel it rushing to the cracks below.
William Toren.
Talk around the situation, for a reason, but we both know.
Tinggi lah. Mengapa lo ya?
You and me are
dari
Traveling down the rails together in the twilight. Don't you say you love me? Right on the walls as they crumble down to Carter skies so lovely. Setting sun on a sinking town. As we are going down. Never to be so sad to breathe as the world is falling. Don't you say you love me? Right on the walls as they crumble down to Carter skies